Welcome to GBI Cars and a walk around video of our 2020 VW Touran SEL. This car comes with the 1.5 petrol turbo engine and the automatic gearbox, which is ULEZ compliant, producing 148 brake horsepower and while still returning up to 42 miles to the gallon. The insurance group is 17 and this is a one-owner vehicle, having covered just over 6,000 miles and comes with full service history. This particular colour is called the Pure White and it's in great condition for the age and mileage of the car. As we have a look inside, the theme continues, so you've got a nice clean interior there. There's an armrest and two cup holders in the centre for the front passengers. And then onto the dashboard, you have your multimedia screen there in the centre for your Apple Carplay, DAB radio and Bluetooth for your phone. A few other features like I mentioned, the car has climate control, automatic headlights and wipers, active cruise control, and the first owner also chose the quick clear windscreen as a factory option on this car, so ideal for a frosty morning. And finally, on the driver's door card, you have your electric folding mirror and full window controls. Being an MPV, the Touran's a great car for the family, so lots of legroom and headroom there in the back. On the rear bench, on the centre bench, the three seats can be moved individually, and the three seats have 3 seat belts, the fold-away picnic tables, and the rear passengers can also control the temperature of their own air vents there in the centre as well. Opening the tailgate reveals on the Touran, which is electric by the way, a really good sized boot there which goes back a long way. You've also got the third row of seats, so there's one up at the moment just to show you, and you've still got some good storage behind. And below the boot floor, you've also got some storage space there for your parcel shelf. Externally, the car comes with front and rear parking sensors and the 17-inch diamond cut alloy wheels. The car's also been independently inspected by the AA, who've been through a 128-point check for your peace of mind, and should also receive 12 months AA breakdown cover, a 3-month warranty that you can extend up to 3 years, and we can help you finance the car with no deposit up to 5 years. So if you have any questions or you'd like to book a test drive, then please do give us a call. The number's 01525 305 016. Thanks for watching.